Fundamental gambling theory. This is the most important video of the bunch, so stay with me as we work through just a bit of crucial math stuff. If I flipped a fair coin and bet you $1 that it would land heads up against your dollar that it would land tails, then that would be called a fair bet because it offered true odds. If we changed it so that when it landed heads, my dollar would win your dollar in 10 cents, then that would be a positive expectation for me and a negative expectation for you. That edge is what all good gamblers look for. They want something in excess of the true odds, and they want to avoid putting their money on negative expectations. Now let's get a little bit more complicated for just a moment. Let's say I wanted to bet that a regular 6-sided die were to come up 1 on one roll. Out of 6 equally likely outcomes, there's 1 way for me to win and 5 ways for me to lose. Now betting $1 to win $1 is a terrible bet for me. This time, to make up for the lower likelihood, I want to get a greater payoff if I do win. This is key. If there's a small chance that I win, that doesn't necessarily mean that I'll never want to take that bet. It just means I want to get a payout in excess of the true odds. In this case, true odds would pay out 5 to 1, so my dollar would need to get me $5 to be a fair bet. If the payoff was $20, then that would be a positive expectation for me, that I would be elated to get even though I'm going to lose over 80% of the time. If it paid less than $5, then that wouldn't be as attractive to a smart gambler. This is the fundamental theory of gambling. Likelihood of winning must be balanced by the payout to determine if it's a worthwhile bet. Okay, that was longer than 1 minute. You should have tried to bet me, but I probably would have wanted pretty good odds.